Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to set background color using document object. Up to now, we have just set background color using BG color attribute of body tag. In this tutorial, we will learn how to set various attributes of element using JavaScript and document object model. So let's first create one document. So let's create body tag and close body tag, close HTML tag. In body tag I am just writing simple h1 tag for just showing purpose of this document. Closing h1 tag. Now save this document using .html extension. Now I want to set background color of the document using document object model. So I am writing script tag and I am using JavaScript. So write type is equal to text JavaScript. Now to set the body background, first write document. As we have discussed, document object model use tree structure of node. So first root and main object is document. So write document. Body is the child element of document. So write body. And body contains attribute which is BG color and it is the child element of body. So write this hierarchy document.body.bg color and give value to BG color. I am giving pink and write semicolon. Save this document using .html extension which we have already done, and let's run this document. We can see h1 is printed which we have written and the color of the document is changed using the document object model. We can set any property dynamically when we want, and it can be done using JavaScript and document object. So this is the model of document object to set various properties. So this is about changing the background using DOM model. Thank you.